Biden has just signed three, not one, but three executive orders on immigration. In this video, I will talk about those three executive orders that Biden just signed tonight. Okay, let's just get right into it. Hello, this is Bijoux.ngwanda, immigration lawyer here in the DC metropolitan area. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back and thank you for subscribing. And please just go ahead, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you feel good like me right now, just give me likes because this is really good news. This might help you or somebody that you know. Okay, let's get right into it. The first one is about family reunification, not to be confused with this family ban that is set to expire on March 31st, 2021. This is not the one we are talking about. We are not talking about family ban. We are talking about family reunification, and this is very specific, and this concerns migrants from southern like Mexico, and those are basically people coming from the south of America, Mexico and all those other countries in the south. Okay, we know back under Trump, when the story broke, they were separating families, okay, children from their parents. And I guess it was in Texas when the former first lady went there, and it was all over the news when we were seeing those kids in cages, basically. And we remember that policy very well. It was the policy, I believe it was called zero tolerance policy. Basically, the goal was to discourage migration, okay? And those families have been separated with no solution, none whatsoever. But now Biden has just signed this executive order. I'm so excited. Biden has just signed this executive order because it's going to help those families to reunite, okay, to come together, which is a really great news for them. 5,000 people, okay, pretty much 5,000 people are concerned about this thing. So it's going to help those people to basically be together with their families. And how are they going to do that? They are going to create a task force to identify those kids, to identify those people, and come up with solutions. They're proposing two. The first one is they are going to ask those kids if they want to go back home to stay with their families, or they're going to ask, the second one is that they're going to ask the parents if they want to come to America to reunite with their kids and stay together. This is really great news. If you know somebody, you might know somebody, maybe your friend, maybe somebody in your neighborhood, you never know, somebody from the south may be able to really benefit from this policy, okay? And they have to start contacting the lawyers to know what they can do, okay? This is the first one, not to be confused with the family ban. And I'm hoping that they're going to address this family ban issue very soon. Or if not, it's actually set to expire on March 31st, 2021. Okay, let's just move along. The second one, they are going to review the asylum process. Now we're talking, okay? Asylum process has been really tough lately. Remember, we have a lot going on with asylum. We have this rule where you have to wait a full year before you even apply for work permit. And on top of it, there's another rule where if you don't have a port of entry, like let's say you just got here, no passport, no nothing showing how you got here, you're not even gonna be able to work at all, even when this 1 year passes, okay? So this was really tough, and they are going to review those policies starting tomorrow. They are going to go deep into it and review what they can adjust. I believe they are going to adjust the 1 year deadline, especially the 1 year period of time that somebody has to wait with no work permit. No, nothing. That's really not good, because previously we were only waiting for 150 days. Okay, they are going to review it, and they are going to review the deadline too. Remember, with asylum, you can only apply within 1 year unless some exceptions apply. But sometimes some people don't even know the rule. By the time they figure out this rule, it's already too late. They cannot apply for asylum, and then there is no exception for them, and it's really tough. It has been really tough the past four years, okay? And they are going to review it, those rules, and they are going to review the fact that even legal immigration has been really slow. It's not moving. Why? You know, those family, when we talk about family reunification, even those visas processing, like consular processing visas, it takes forever. They are going to review the procedures, which is really it is really good. I'm so excited, because it's gonna make this process to go a little bit faster. Not really that fast, but at least something will change, okay? And they're going to review the public charge rule. Remember, a lot of people have been seeing their application being denied. We have seen green card being denied just because of the public charge rule. And remember, we are in the middle of this pandemic. People are losing their jobs. They need to work, or if they cannot work, they need to get benefits. And when they get benefits, they get penalized. So it's just like there's no way out. So they are going to review this public charge rule, which is really good, especially for green card applicants that have taken public benefits such as unemployment, such as food stamp, etc., etc. They are going to review that policy. And then the last one, they are talking about really just going deep into this crisis in Central America. Okay, they're going to address the cause. What is the cause of migration in Central America? Why is it that we have a lot of people coming? So they're going to address it, and they are going to really stop this remain in Mexico policy. This policy, not good, because when you come at the border and you want to apply for asylum because you're fearing for your life, and they tell you to stay in Mexico, and the way people are staying in Mexico are not really good. And Biden is saying that they are going to review that. First of all, they just stopped it already with the previous executive order. Now they are going to go deeper and looking at conditions of people. How are people staying in Mexico with this remain in Mexico policy? So they're going to review that too. It's going to be humane and more manageable. That's what they said. So this is really good. I'm so excited. Really, I am so excited about those three executives orders. We know that it's difficult for asylees, especially those with no documentation. They're still waiting for this amnesty. It hasn't come yet, but it surely something will happen, okay? If it doesn't happen this year, maybe next year, but at least those asylum policies will be reviewed, especially with work permits. You know, people have to work to support themselves. They are going to review that. Really, they are going to review it, the asylum law and how it works, the policies behind the work permits, policies behind public charge rule. They are going to review all that. So I'm so excited. If you're excited like me, comment below. I will look at those comments. Come on, I will make sure you comment, okay? Comment below. Let me know what you think. I know you were expecting like, oh, the amnesties here, but we're not there yet. This is a journey. Sometimes it really takes time. Sometimes some people get it sooner, some people get it later, but at the end of the day, you will get there. Okay, those kids, they didn't see the light, but now they're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. They've been separated with their family. We're talking about 5,000. Okay, just imagine if it was your child, you'll be happy. So be happy for them, and then great things will come to you too. Okay, this is Bijoux.ngwanda here, immigration lawyer in the DC metropolitan area, and this was US immigration. Bye bye.